Choo-choo, here comes the alphabet train, rolling through letters, sunshine and rain. Hop on board, let's sing and say, ABC friends are on the way.
ABC, come ride with me on the alphabet train so happily. Singing it loud, singing it clear, letters and fun are rolling here.
E is for apple, shiny and red.
B is for ball that we toss and spread.
C is for cat with a meow so sweet.
Clap your hands and tap your feet. ABC, come ride with me on the alphabet train so happily. Singing it loud, singing it bright, learning letters feels just right.
D is for dog that loves to play.
E is for elephant, big and gray.
F is for fish that swish and glide.
Wave hello as they swim beside. Jump for G, hop for H, clap for I, ride for T.
Key is for kite up in the sky.
L is for lion, roaring high.
M is for monkey, funny and neat.
Dancing, bouncing to the beat. N is for nest, O is for owl. P is for panda, saying growl.
Q is for queen, R for the rat.
Tiptoe softly like a cat.
S is for sun, shining so bright.
T is for train, woo woo, alright.
U is umbrella, V is van.
Wave your hands, yes you can.
W is for whale, splish and splash. X is xylophone.
Ding ding crash.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes of brown.
ABC, all the way. We learned our letters today, hooray. Choo-choo, the ride is done. Alphabet learning is so much fun. Wave goodbye. Give a cheer. The alphabet train will come back here.